So what I'd like to do in this portion of the program tonight is to show an update on the school construction here at the middle school. And in the first slide here, we see a view from Lincoln Avenue. This is actually the corner of the new middle school wing. Again, this is the same section. For point of reference, this area that you're looking at is actually in front of the old middle school gym. This is the end of that section of the wing, and you can see there in the center where the entry corridor, the entry doors will be located. And if we step back a little further on Lincoln Avenue, you get a view of that wing, the two floors, and where it will ultimately connect to the original middle school. In this slide, you can actually see the three classrooms on the top floor. Again, this is a Lincoln Avenue view. Here you can see where the construction actually ties into the existing middle school. Once again, these pictures are taken from the Lincoln Avenue side. Looking up at the first and second floor classrooms on the Lincoln Avenue side, look in particular, if you would, at the top floor, the windows on the far inside of the second floor. You see that there's a slanted roof design, and that these windows with that design will actually provide significant natural lighting. In these two slides, we see progress on the brickwork of the wing. And this is the very end of the addition, and you can see on the far end here the workers who were working at this point on this stairwell connection. The next number of pictures were actually taken on an interior trip that we took on November 8th, and you'll see here the second floor, in particular look again at the slanted roof construction and the upper windows. Again, this is how the natural lighting will become a big part of this. This is just an example of an interior stairwell. This picture taken from the gym roof gives another view of the upper floor windows for the natural lighting. Again, this is an energy saving feature of this new wing. And you can see it again up close here. This is the view of the campus from the end of the new addition. That would be the middle school to the left, the shared wing in the center of the photo, and of course beyond that, the auditorium and Eastchester High School. And a view of the new wing from the roof looking out toward Lincoln Avenue. This is an example of an interior classroom space. Again, this picture was taken November 8th, and here's just a close-up of the view from the window. In this wing, you can see with the construction here that there are actually three classrooms on this particular area. And just a different view of that. Again, if we step back onto Lincoln Avenue, this would be a view of the new school entrance and that wing. Thank you very much.